Imagine a place so perfect it feels handcrafted, where every flower and mountain seems placed just so. That's Lauterbrunnen, a Swiss valley straight out of a storybook. Arriving here is like stepping into a world made of green felt and grey stone, with air so fresh you can't help but smile. The journey in, often by a little mountain train, builds anticipation with every turn. Snow-capped peaks, dramatic cliffs, and then suddenly, the valley opens up before you. It's a breathtaking, crikey moment, nature's own masterpiece. Here, the loudest sounds are cowbells and waterfalls, not city noise. Lauterbrunnen invites you to slow down, breathe deep, and rediscover wonder. It's a place that sparks your imagination and makes you feel like a child again. So, lace up your walking shoes, pack a bit of cheese, and let's explore this claymation wonderland. This isn't just a holiday, it's a grand adventure waiting to happen. Let's get cracking. Lauterbrunnen's cliffs are colossal, giant stone walls that rise straight into the sky, making the valley below feel like a miniature world. These cliffs are the stage for the valley's stars, 72 waterfalls, including the famous Staubach Falls, which turns to mist before it hits the ground. The sound of water is everywhere, a natural symphony, from thunderous cascades to gentle trickles. Staubach Falls, hidden inside the mountain, lets you stand right in the heart of the action, surrounded by roaring water. The valley floor is a patchwork of lush meadows, painted with wildflowers in spring and summer. Walking here, with cliffs above and waterfalls all around, feels like wandering through a dream. Every step is a reminder of nature's artistry. It's a landscape that's both dramatic and peaceful, a true masterpiece. This is Lauterbrunnen, a valley where water and stone create magic. Let's keep exploring. At the heart of the valley sits Lauterbrunnen village, a cozy collection of wooden chalets with flower-filled balconies. The streets are quiet. No cars, just the gentle hum of people and the clink of coffee cups in local cafes. Shop windows overflow with handmade toys, Swiss chocolate, and colorful cowbells. Life here moves at the pace of the seasons, not the clock. You'll see farmers leading cows, children playing, and neighbors greeting each other with a warm "Grüezi." Every detail, from mountain water fountains to the village church, adds to the charm. It's a real, living village, authentic, peaceful, and deeply connected to its stunning surroundings. Lauterbrunnen isn't a theme park, it's a slice of Swiss mountain life. It's a place that feels like home, even if you're just passing through. Swiss culture in Lauterbrunnen is rich, and yes, it tastes of cheese. Cows graze on Alpine meadows, giving local Alpkäse its unique flavor. The sound of cowbells is the valley's soundtrack, a gentle, cheerful music. At summer's end, the Des Alpes parade celebrates the cows' return with flowers and fancy bells. Food here is hearty: cheese fondue, rösti, apple strudel, and, of course, Swiss chocolate. There's a deep respect for nature. Trails are pristine, villages spotless, and traditions cherished. People here are expert hikers and skiers, living in harmony with the mountains. It's a culture built on community, hard work, and a love for their magnificent home. In Lauterbrunnen, tradition and nature go hand in hand. For adventurers, Lauterbrunnen is a playground. Hiking is king, gentle valley walks, or challenging alpine trails, all with jaw-dropping views. Take a cable car to Mürren or Wengen for even more spectacular scenery and a glimpse of the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. For thrill seekers, paragliding offers a bird's-eye view of the valley, soaring above waterfalls and meadows. Or explore up close, walk behind Staubach Falls, or venture inside Trimmelbach's roaring tunnels. Every path, every ride, every moment is an adventure. Whether you're floating in the sky or wandering wildflower fields, Lauterbrunnen invites you to discover. Here, even a simple walk feels extraordinary. The valley is full of secrets, just waiting for you to find them. Adventure is everywhere. Lauterbrunnen is a feast for every sense. Your eyes drink in green meadows, grey cliffs and snowy peaks, plus bursts of wildflowers and red geraniums. Close your eyes and listen. Waterfalls, cowbells, birds and bees create a peaceful soundtrack. Feel the cool mist from a waterfall, the warmth of the sun, the chill of a mountain stream. Breathe in the scent of pine, wildflowers, and fresh bread from a village bakery. Taste the sharp Alpine cheese, sweet honey, and pure cold milk straight from the farm. Every sense is alive here, creating memories you'll never forget. Lauterbrunnen isn't just seen, it's experienced. It's a place that makes you feel truly alive. That's the magic of this Swiss wonderland. Leaving Lauterbrunnen, you carry its magic with you. The cliffs, waterfalls, and cowbells linger in your memory, bringing a smile long after you've gone. This valley feels like a dream made real. Dramatic mountains, peaceful meadows, and charming villages. It's a place of contrasts. Powerful waterfalls, quiet fields, grand nature, and gentle hospitality. Lauterbrunnen inspires you to create, to slow down, and to appreciate the world's beauty. It's more than a destination. It's a feeling of peace and awe that stays with you. If you ever get the chance, visit this Swiss wonderland. See the waterfalls, walk the meadows, listen to the cowbells, and taste the cheese. Lauterbrunnen is a story you'll want to tell again and again. It's not just a place on a map. It's a memory, a feeling, a grand day out for the soul. Thanks for joining this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.